Honda's entrance into the world of motorhomes for 2026 feels less like a leap and more like a careful, clever stride. Known for compact engineering, reliability, and clever packaging, Honda has taken those strengths and remixed them for people who want mobility without compromising daily living comfort. The result is a motorhome that feels equal parts practical and aspirational, compact enough to be driven every day, spacious enough to live in comfortably on weekend escapes, and smart enough to feel like a modern home on wheels. Design and packaging. Honda's 2026 motorhome follows a functional-first aesthetic. Rather than imposing, overbuilt profiles, the exterior keeps clean, aerodynamic lines and a friendly front fascia that resembles the brand's passenger vehicle family. The chassis is cleverly derived from a reinforced unibody platform, part van, part crossover, giving a lower center of gravity and car-like driving manners. Exterior dimensions are thoughtful, narrow enough for two-lane country roads and city parking, yet tall enough to allow a full standing interior in most sections. Practical touches: an electrically retractable awning, integrated roof rails for solar arrays, and modular exterior hookups make setup at campsites quick and intuitive. Powertrain and efficiency. In 2026, Honda positions the motorhome around efficiency and flexibility. Buyers can choose from a mild hybrid petrol option for proven range and easy refueling, or a plug-in hybrid PHEV variant that provides a battery-backed electric driving mode for short urban hops and quiet campground arrivals. The hybrid systems are tuned not for high performance but for a smooth, quiet delivery of torque and excellent fuel economy under load. Regenerative braking, intelligent thermal management, and an energy-aware HVAC system help extend range and reduce generator reliance. For buyers who prioritize zero-emission camping and have access to charging at home or on the road, Honda hints at a future fully electric variant likely arriving as charging infrastructure continues to expand. Interior: clever, comfortable, compact. The interior is where Honda's skill at packaging shines. The layout favors multipurpose spaces and hidden storage. Dining benches convert into guest beds, tabletop surfaces fold away when not needed, and cleverly contoured cabinetry maximizes usable volume. Materials are durable but warm stain-resistant fabrics, soft-touch laminates, and marine-grade finishes in high-moisture zones. Natural light is everywhere: panoramic skylights, strategically placed windows, and a bright palette help the cabin feel larger than its footprint. The kitchen area is compact but complete: induction cooktop, integrated sink with cover to expand counter space, a convection microwave oven, and a refrigerator sized for 2 to 4 people. Storage solutions: slide-out pantry trays, vertical utensil slots, and a modular rail system for pots keep everything within easy reach. The bathroom is thoughtfully designed as a wet bath with efficient drainage and a removable showerhead. In larger floor plans, a separated toilet shower becomes available. Sleeping arrangements follow a flexible approach. The primary bed is a comfortable platform with underbed storage and the option of a drop-down overhead bed to increase sleeping capacity without sacrificing daytime headroom. Soundproofing and climate zoning keep the sleeping area cozy while the rest of the living space can stay ventilated or climate controlled separately. Technology and connectivity. Honda equips the 2026 motorhome with a modern tech stack tuned for travel. A central touchscreen operates vehicle systems, navigation with camping-specific routing, and integration with smartphone apps for remote monitoring battery state, fresh gray water levels, and climate control. Driver assist technologies borrowed from Honda's passenger lineup make long-haul driving less fatiguing: adaptive cruise control, lane centering, blind spot monitoring, and automated emergency braking. For off-grid stretches, An available energy management module lets users prioritize power to critical systems and schedule charging to match solar harvests. Safety and durability. Safety is a Honda hallmark and it translates well here. Reinforced side impact rails, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance systems protect occupants while a dedicated stability control system manages the vehicle's higher center of mass. Chassis engineering minimizes sway, and available air suspension softens road impacts while maintaining composure under load. Exterior finishes are chosen to resist UV and moisture, while water-sealed electrical components and enclosed underbody areas reduce corrosion risk, important for owners who travel through varied climates. Customization and floor plans. Understanding that motorhome buyers are diverse, Honda offers a modular approach. Base floor plans are aimed at couples, a compact galley, roomy lounge, and a comfortable queen bed. Larger layouts add a transverse bathroom and a true living area that converts into multiple sleeping configurations. Optional packages include enhanced off-grid capability, bigger solar arrays, extra battery capacity, and insulated water tanks, luxury finishes, premium mattresses, upgraded cabinetry, and a tech package with satellite connectivity and a higher spec infotainment suite. Driving experience. Drivability is where Honda leverages its reputation. Steering feedback is precise, the ride is controlled yet comfortable, and the motorhome behaves more like a large crossover than a lumbering RV. Visibility is excellent, assisted by surround cameras and parking sensors, a welcome feature when navigating tight campsites or urban streets. The PHEV variant gives a quiet, electric-only approach in camp. Enter a campground under electric power and you'll be rewarded with near-silent setup and reduced generator noise. Ownership and practicalities. Honda's strong dealer and service network is a practical advantage for owners who travel far from home. Parts availability, routine maintenance, and warranty coverage are tailored to the motorhome's unique systems. The brand also supports owner education programs, short courses on energy management, winterization, and safe towing, helpful for first-time motorhome owners. Market position and appeal. Rather than trying to compete with massive, luxury Class A rigs, Honda's 2026 motorhome caters to a growing segment of buyers who want nimble, high-efficiency recreational vehicles that are reliable and easy to own. It's ideal for weekend warriors, digital nomads, and small families who prioritize usability over flash. The more environmentally conscious will appreciate the hybrid and PHEV options, while traditionalists will value Honda's engineering and long-term durability. Conclusion. The 2026 Honda Motorhome is a pragmatic, modern take on mobile living. It excels at what Honda does best: smart packaging, efficient powertrains, dependable engineering, and everyday usability. It may not be the biggest or the most opulent option on the market, but for people who want a vehicle they can drive to work on Monday and use to explore the countryside on the weekend, Honda's entry is one of the most sensible and attractive choices of the year. Practical, clever, and thoughtfully built, it makes the idea of life on the road feel accessible, comfortable, and reliably within reach.